Today's video, I'm unboxing this Westinghouse pressure washer. This is a 3200 PSI. Read very good reviews on this. Seems to be very user-friendly and easy to use. That's kind of how I choose, a lot of stuff. But here, so I'm unboxing it, as you can see, and I wanted to kind of just show you how it comes and going to also put it together. The video is not going to be so much how to put it together, but it's going to be kind of a quick video on how to put it together. So someone who is unboxing it, there's just a few things you have to put together, nothing too crazy, but obviously I'm putting the handles on. They just kind of click right into place like that. This is a very user-friendly, easy machine. So there's basically a little, it's almost like a little kickstand at the bottom I was putting there. Here are my nozzles, that I'm putting it. I mean, you can kind of put them any way. I tried to make sure that I used them, made them color-coded. And here's the two brackets that you want to put on. This is going to hold your gun, for your pressure washer. So I'm just showing you that you have to put those two screws in the back, those two brackets. Those are the two things that you definitely have to do. So here's it's essentially the nozzle for the gun. You just want to make sure that that orange tip is where the black hose is going into. There's another piece where your like garden hose, whatnot, will go into, but just tightening that up. It's important also too, you're not going to start it until you actually have water connected. So here I'm getting it started, turning it on. Also you want to, for the gas, you want to turn that on. Right now I have it in choke, right? So what you want to do is you want to just get it started, and then you're going to turn it to run once you kind of hear it sputtering. So here it's sputtering a little bit. Choke. I'm going to turn it off, turn it back on, put it into run, and it starts right up again. Very easy to use. I love it. And as you can see here, I'm using it. Great machine. Thanks for watching.